the garden and cut some wood. Cut this branch up and come back and at least stack some of these logs and make them easier to cut in a minute. In a day or two sometime. That or somebody has cut another ditch in. It's gonna be one big trench there before you know it. Cut that branch up right there. What happened there? Acting like I'm out of gas, and I know I'm not. that's all she wrote for that one. Let's load it in the Jeep. Made me a nice little stack of wood there. My cherry tomatoes are still putting off cherry tomatoes. My big boy tomatoes are trying to put off tomatoes, but I ain't got high hopes for them. It's kind of late in the season. It's supposed to frost in a week or two. Yep, that's something I did today.